Old Mill Brick Brickwebb sheets make installing thin brick simple and fast. All you will need is your boxes of brickwebb, your adhesive or mastick, a 3/8 by 1/4 inch notch trowel, a tile cutter, level, measuring tape, and a pencil. If your project includes corners, install your corner pieces first. Use your measuring tape and pencil to section out your area into 21-inch sections. This will help you apply adhesive in manageable amounts while you install. Start from the top of your wall or the far side of your floor. Use a notched trowel to apply the adhesive. Smear on the adhesive generously with the flat side first, and then use the notched side to scrape off excess. Apply your first sheet of brickwebb in a top corner and then move horizontally. Press firmly on the brick so that the adhesive comes through the webbing and adheres. Apply your next sheet overlapping the first sheet, leaving 3/8 inch between the bricks for grout. Check that your section is level and make adjustments as needed while the adhesive is still wet. For the edges, you can remove bricks from a sheet or use a box of individual thin bricks and cut them to size with a handheld tile cutter. Remember to leave space for the grout and measure twice and cut once. Apply your next section of adhesive and repeat the process as needed. When you get to the bottom of your wall or edge of your floor, you may need to cut the brick sheets lengthwise. Use a handheld tile cutter to cut your final row of bricks to size if needed. You can cut the webbed backing with a box cutter or other sharp knife to remove rows of brick. Allow your brickwebb at least 24 hours to dry before grouting.